Hello everyone, my name is Sandra and thank you so much for tuning in. All right, y'all, my Macy's beauty box came in the mail today and I am super excited to get into it. I love how the box just like collapses on itself. Ooh, this one is a $10 off. If you want my discount code, well, it's not a discount code, like gift card, $10 gift card thingy that came in my box, you're gonna have to look out for a community post where I will post it and first come, first serve. Okay, if you want that $10 off a beauty order in or out of store, I believe that's what it's. Yeah, in store or online, make sure you're checking out my community post because I will post my personal code from this box in the community tab. So keep on the lookout for that. All my little products came all cute and just wrapped up just gorgeously. Like, look at that. It's like perfectly wrapped. Ooh, we got a lot of stuff in here. And the first thing is actually by one of my favorite skincare brands, and that is Tony freaking Moly, okay? And this is the I'm Rose Mask Sheet. And Tony Moly is a Korean skincare brand. I have not tried this one. The one that I tried was, what was it? It was I'm Rice. That's the one I tried. I tried the I'm Rice, but this is the Rose one. And I'm very excited to try this out. I enjoyed the mask that I had before. I enjoyed the rice mask. So this one will probably be really nice as well. It might stink because Rose actually don't smell that good, okay?
Roses really smell like boo, boo, boo.
But yeah, very excited to try this out. The next item that I'm pulling out is, ooh, yes. This is another MAC mascara. Now, y'all already know that Magic extension is that girl. So I'm very excited to try out this one. Let's see. Ooh, and the packaging is nice. Very, very sleek. Let's see what that wand is looking like though. Ooh, okay, that's different from the other one. That's actually very different. So we will definitely give this a try out on the next try on and see if this one is better than the Magic extensions. Okay, is it better than the Magic extensions? We'll find out later on. Next, ooh, it's something by Tarte. Very cool. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm. I think that's how you say that, Maracuja. And this is what the little packaging is looking like. Okay, Maracuja. I think that sounds about right. It's so itty bitty. Bruh, look at how itty bitty that is. It's just so cute. Oh, look at how cute that is. Let's see. This is the ittiest of bitty. Oh, it's like an itty bitty bullet lipstick. I was not expecting that. That is so cute. How much product do you get? Bruh, look at all that product. That's a lot, okay? That's a lot for a sample. Let's see what the color is looking like. If you're looking for a lot of pigment, this ain't your girl, okay? This is very, very soft, right? Just like a little wash of pink. Now, on different skin tones, this might show up a little bit darker, but if you're like me or darker, this is, it's not really gonna show much, okay? It's gonna look like your regular lips with a little gloss over it. But this is still super freaking cute. I was not expecting a full-blown bullet on the inside of it. I think that is adorable. The next item that I'm pulling out is a fragrance, and this is Flower Bomb Tiger Lily by Victor and Rolf. I don't know. Looks fancy, looks expensive. Hopefully it don't stink. Ooh. Okay, so this is what the actual bottle would look like, the perfume bottle. I wish they gave us little miniatures of the bottle because I would keep those, right? Like I would build up a collection. See how itty bitty that is. It's so cute. Now I'm gonna just hope for the best. Smells like every single perfume section in like a Macy's or a Carson's or a Kohl's. It's just, I mean, it's not bad. It's not my stilo. What are the notes? It says Tiger Lily Accord, coconut milk, and addictive mango. I smell none of those. It just smells like perfume to me. I don't know, like a typical perfume. I wouldn't be able to pick this out from a bunch. I'm probably gonna pass this along to my sister-in-law because I think she likes fragrances like that. Moving on, the next thing is a little foil packet, and this is by Yves Saint Laurent, and this is the Glow in Balm. What exactly do you do? What is this? I guess this is for your lips. I'm guessing this is for your lips. I don't really know, but it's just like a little foil packet. It's a lot for your lips. Maybe this is for your whole body. I don't know. I mean, this is a little bit for the body, but I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to do some research because I don't know what this is for. Okay, what is this for? Somebody tell me. But it's by Yves Saint Laurent. We love some Yves Saint Laurent. You know, that's our rich bit makeup and I guess fragrances and lip balm, I guess. Moving on, the next item that I'm pulling out looks like a full-size item. And this is by Nude Sticks. And this is what it looks like. I think this is an actual like full-size product, bruh. They gave us full size. That would be a banger. So this is this is how much you get. And it has like the cutest little like white dot in the center. I guess that's maybe like a highlight. Maybe that's supposed to give you like a highlighting effect along with, I guess this is like a blush. What is this? Magenta Magic. And this is the Glow Core all over face blush color. Oh, so you could just use it as a blush. Maybe you could put it on your lips too. I don't know. But let's see what the color is looking like on my skin tone. Ooh, that's very pink. That is extremely, extremely pink. Look at that. Very pinky with a little bit of purple, like a pinky purple. I think that's so pretty. I don't know if it's my color. Y'all know I love me a good peach, but we'll definitely give this a try out and see if we like her, you know, on the face. And she might look a little bit different once you put some powder over her. But yeah, very cool. And I think this is actually a full-size item, which is legit, okay? Which is very legit. This is about the same amount of product that you would get from like a milk, you know, little milk thingies. So yeah, very cool. Very cool. Hey, Macy's, I see y'all stepping up your game. Hopefully you don't raise them prices while you stepping up your game. Keep your prices low. The next thing is, ooh, by Lancome, okay? And this is the Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara. Now, back in the day, I had a little sample size of Lancome mascara. It was a Lancome mascara. I loved it. I used all of it. It was nothing much left in her when I was done. It was the best mascara I've ever used in my entire life. And that was when I was a little kid. I knew it was good. It was good stuff. But it was by Lancome. So I'm very excited to try this out. And this is the Lash Idol. I'm guessing that's what that is. And this is what it looks like. Is that how it goes? Ooh, now this one is curved up. Very, very interesting. I'm excited to try this out. We might have to do a battle of the scaras, okay? A battle of the scaras to see which one is actually the best. Right now, the Magic Extensions is number one for me, but we got like 2 mascaras in this beauty box. We're gonna have to test those out and see what they're working with. The final, well, actually there's 2 things in here. Ooh, they spoiling us this month. First and foremost, we got these cute little powder puffs, okay? They gave us 2 little powder puffs so you could put on your powders and, well, obviously it's a powder puff. You know, you can do your little thing. So yeah, these feel really nice too. They're very soft and just kind of squishy too. Like they're purple. They're very cute. This was my favorite color growing up. I loved lavender. My bedroom was lavender. And this is just absolutely adorable. I love that they gave you 2, which is amazing. And the final thing in here are actually some really cute clips. I think these are so freaking adorable. Now, I don't see myself putting these clips in my hair as it currently is with these braids. But once I take my braids out, I might actually use these. These are cute. And they're like a nice quality, right? They're actually, well, it's just plastic, but it's a pretty plastic, okay? It's a pretty plastic with this nice gold little clip thingy. I think this is so freaking cute. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Y'all, this was a really good box. This was probably the best Macy's box that we've gotten so far. And one of those boxes had elements. So that's saying a lot. This one, how many items did we get? 9? Like 9 different things. Okay, we got 9 different things. And one was full size. That was everything in my Macy's beauty box. Let's see what they got for us next month, okay? If they did this for this month, they're gonna have to keep stepping their game up because this was a really, really good box. MAC, Lancome, even just the little free gifts are really, really nice. And Nude Sticks, bruh, they really spoiled us this month. Hopefully this kind of sets the tone for all the boxes coming in this month. Like I have my Allure box coming in, which we already know, if you saw your spoilers and did your choices, we're getting some Charlotte Tilbury in our box. products, which, I mean, I'm on the fence about it. I have their hydrating, like beautiful skin hydrating foundation. It's not my favorite, but that's just because I prefer a matte foundation, like my Fenty. Okay, my Fenty is a matte, as well as my She Glam. She Glam is matte as well, but it's a nice bronzer. So hopefully the bronzer be bronzing. We'll find out when we get the box. I think this was a really good month. And like I said, I hope this is setting the tone for all the boxes to come, because I'm already like, about my Ipsy. My Ipsy isn't that great. Really not feeling it. I mean, the things I chose were, I guess, the best things that I could have wanted. I mean, it's things that I will use. My Glam bag is okay. I did do 2 add-ons, but you're gonna have to wait for the video to see what I added on. I'm very excited for Ice Cream Beauty. I saw their spoiler. Amazing. Like, absolutely amazing. They have an Ofra palette, and then they have another palette. This is gonna be a really good beauty makeup month, and I'm here for all of it. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comments, and definitely subscribe so that you can become a Faye Bae. And I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.